Yes, so daily you are already seeing us that we are also doing equally hard work with all the CMA students by coming live for you, solving the latest MTP, whether it be for CMA Inter, CMA Final. Since last 8 days, we have been continuously going live for you guys, solving latest MTPs of CMA Inter, CMA Final, and all the marathons also uploaded various marathon, and various marathons are on your way. But at the end of the day, these are the tough questions which have to be answered. CMA Institute, what's going on? What about the model exams? Students need to have a practice on the model exams. If it is not there, then please clarify the model exams won't take place. And the MTPs that have been given is the final one. What about the admit cards? Some student was saying that sir, admit cards, it's written in the regulation that we should be receiving at least 15 days prior to the examination. I said, I don't know about the regulation, but admit cards you should be receiving. No, it's your right to receive admit card at least 15 days before the examination. Forget about 15 days. I say that it should have been given at least 1 month before the examination, because lot of students stay far from the center and they will have to make necessary arrangement for their accommodation and all. Please think about them also. And since you are going to conduct center based exams, so God knows where the center is going to be. So students are having tremendous level of anxiety. The centers should be informed to them ASAP, as soon as possible. Already it is late. And now PIL has been filed in Supreme Court seeking to quash this pattern of examination. It was already on the cards. Now what should a CMA student do? I have already told my lovely CMA students कि देखो भाई, जिन लोगों का अभी दिसंबर 21 में एग्जाम है, तो इट्स राइट नाउ, इट्स ऑन योर हेड. सो प्लीज, as a teacher, as a brother, as a parent, I am saying that all your demands are legitimate. We will fight for the demands, but can you afford to defer your exams further? Especially those students who were cheated and their exams got punched with December 21. Those students who have been waiting since last 1 year, they cannot afford to defer their exams at all now. So students who are willing to give December attempt should continue with their preparation, and come what may, they should be giving the exams in December attempt. Because I know my students have done all the hard work, they have done all the preparation. We together have worked so hard for the December 21 examination. So continue to remain positive and focus for December 21 examination. And yes, time and again students ask me, sir, what's your view on the online exam? I have again repeatedly told that if this is the paper pattern, it's better that you scrap the online exam and go for the offline exam. Because online exam means 100% MCQ based. And if it is not that, then offline exam is the mode that should be conducted. But obviously, it's not possible for December 21. So December 21, guys, please, please, please pull up your socks and keep studying. Keep studying. I know it's very easy to say, but I'm not leaving you alone, na? Me and my entire team of CMA faculties are going live every day, every single day, just to make sure that you remain pumped up, you do not remain distracted. और जो लड़ाई हमारी जारी है वो तो जारी है ही, वो तो एग्जाम्स के बाद भी जारी रहेगी जब तक ये सब सुधार नहीं हो जाता. So with this video, I would like to request that please release the admit cards so that students can make necessary accommodations and they can be aware that the center is there or not for them. Please release these admit cards as soon as possible, and please clarify on the model exams. If at all the model exams are going to take place, rehearsal exams are going to take place. I don't think so that there is enough time for that. So please clarify that also. Thank you.